Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for July 23rd through August 6th. For July 23rd to 27th, the flow will consist of a trough here in the west, and we have a ridge here across the southern U.S. right here, and the westerlies remain across the northern states. And this flow will remain active, bringing several rounds of rain and thunderstorms affecting the northern states. Okay, like I just said, the flow will bring several rounds. That's something else I want to talk about. We'll bring several rounds of rain and thunderstorms. You can see it on the map here. This is very juicy air, so rain and thunderstorms. And the trough will move into the Gulf of Mexico and keep the region wet. This will be scattered showers and thunderstorms across the central and western Gulf Coast states late in the week. And this will be an area of concern to watch for tropical development. Now, if you look at the National Hurricane model, or what they're saying, this is a 5-day outlook. Possible development here and for this region in here, they're all 20%, but this is be an area to watch for possible tropical development. Now we're going to look here at the satellite imageries. Here's a wave, here's another wave. They remain disorganized across this region. Now we'll look at the map, forecast maps. This is a European. And you can watch, there is some kind of spin in the Gulf, and then it starts something here. You can see a little spin, and it goes into Texas. And we look at the European ensembles. I think that was the same thing. Yeah, that was European ensembles. We'll take a look at the GFS. And you see we have a low in the Gulf, but this whole area will have to be watched for tropical development. The ridge across the southern U.S. will cause above normal temperatures, with the anomalies approaching 12 degrees above normal. We'll go look now at the period from July 28th to August 1st. And the flow remains unchanged. I kind of sound like a broken record. So we'll have the westerlies here, broad ridge across this area, a little bit of a weak trough here, but I don't think I'll have much change in the temperature anomalies. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the nation, with temperatures of 4 to 8, maybe 12 degrees above normal in some areas. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Below normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Looking ahead for the period for August 2nd to the 6th. Again, the flow doesn't change much. There's a little bit of a trough here. Northern flow, the westerlies remain across the northern states. And there's some differences in strength of this ridge. Some have it at 594, others have it just 588. The European ensembles has a 594 ridge, and there's been some differences in the placement and the strength of the ridge across southern U.S. So with that said, I am forecasting little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence 40%, and also here probability of occurrence across the 4 corner states of above normal precipitation. That's a long range weather forecast discussion for July 23rd to August 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.